Okay, here another problem that we need to do. For a gauge reading of negative 17.1 kPa, so here the air here has a pressure of negative 17.1. So this gauge here reads that. Elevations of the liquids in the open piezometer, columns E, F, and G, determine so the deflection. So pangitaon na to diri kung pilay fluid nga nadaan ni ba? And also the deflection of mercury in the YouTube monitor neglecting the weight of air. C. So we have that. We have here air. We have here a fluid which we don't know but it's given ang iyahang specific um, gravity which is zero point 0.7. I don't really care what the fluid is as long as we know kung pilang iyang specific density or specific gravity. Water here, and we have here another fluid which has a 1.6 ang iyahang specific gravity. Here we have mercury. So diri water ang nakonekdana diri pod daghana piezometer. So unsa nang kalahi gyud sa piezometer? Piezometer simply uses the fluid dana mo na iyahang daan eh dili pwede ang butang piezometer diri sa air nga part kay of course mo escape man ang air na kay gauge kon diha. It usually be made of Borden gauge. Daan na pagka YouTube manometer because just maybe you want to verify the reading in the piezometer or other way around. So in this case, we simply want to solve. For example, let's try to solve first for E. What will be the height of the liquid here and the column height here in E? So we want to know the elevations, okay? So when we say elevation, this elevation 15, this elevation 12, simply what's between them is, we know what's between them. It's 3 meters ayang depth. So we have that. We start from here. We could start from here. Okay. Start from here and we move. As we move down, we may not directly really move down by that, but we could really reach her first para gusto mong gud ta nga naun man na siya 12. So nga nga technique dili ka mo diretso adto dito but pabutang sa kadiri sa ubos. So the pressure here increases by how much? Well, the pressure increased by, so pressure at the air is negative 17.1. So that's negative 17.1. Oh, wait. So negative 17.1 kilopascal. So that's 17,100. Okay, negative 17,100 pascal. You go down, so the pressure increases by rho. Rho is 700. G 9.81 H by how much? That's 3. Okay? That's 3 meters bale. Now, well, you go down to here. The pressure, as you move to the right, nothing happens because the pressure don't change when you move horizontally. When you go up, okay? When you go up, the pressure will increase. Go to the right, nothing happens. When you go up again, the pressure will increase. So initially, we just want to know this up and up again. So, muna itong gusto hibawon. Go up, nothing happens. Go up, increase. Then, ito lang usahon ang height para ma-measure natin base diyan. So, pila ang height niya base diyan eh. Kana siya bali atong gina-refer to. What is this height? We call this height, shall we say, y. Pila man na siya nga height? Well, we know that height will be minus, right? When we go up man ka, minus rho is 700 times 9.81. We go up by how much? By y. You don't know y. So therefore, from here you can solve for y. Equal to, what is the pressure here at this tip? This is 0 because this piezometer is exposed to the atmosphere. So 0. Therefore, y will be something. So the answer here is na siya sa y is 0.51 meter, and therefore this elevation will be what? 12 meters dire measured batong by ikan dire sa 12 meters. So ang elevation E, so ato nang ikuano? Elevation sa kuan E, ang elevation niya kay naa sa 12.51. Ano ganing 12.51? Kay gikan dere ang kuan na measure nimo da 0.51 up, so therefore ang ilang elevation ana with respect to some elevation 0 is 12.51. Similar also to what we do to this one, elevation of F. So simple lang, ato lang ang button nato ana karon kung kani natong button, we continue no, going downward. So ikan dere PA it's negative 17,100 plus 700 707 kana siya as you go down. Then you go similar to this one, you go down and then you go up again. You go down by pila man eh 12 ug 8, that's 4. So bali ato na siyang adan. Okay, wait. Okay, so this is the pressure at the air. Here's negative 17,100. You go down, that's 700 times 9.81 times 3. You go down further, that is what? That is plus water, that's 1,000 man ang fluid niya kay water times 9.81 times what? Times, pila man na siya? Pila ng distance dana? 12 ug 8. Kana nga depth is 4 times 4. Okay? But you don't stay there. You move to the right, you move up, move horizontally. But somehow ang idea is you don't really move horizontally, but you could just neglect mo na, move there, and you move there. So bali, the pressure will just decrease by what? By 1,000 times 9.81 times kung pila net nimo nga pa-move up. So if we call this height here Z, okay, we call that height Z, and therefore we move up by Z. The pressure here we know is exposed to the atmosphere, that's 0. By then, makakuha ka og Z equal to, so the answer Z is 4.36 meters or 4.4 meters. So bali, elevation of F is, kung 8 na siya, then move up ka by 4.36, your elevation will be 8 plus that, 12.36 meters. Okay? Ana lang bali ang tinta. Also, same thing will be done through to the rest of the points. So we'll just continue. So karon, what we do is to calculate for the height of this piezometer here. Simply continue moving. Ikan dani, right? Kanina mo na siya ang pressure dana. Plus, you move down again by pila man ang level. Oh, do we know the level? Oh my, wala ta kabalo sa level. So what shall we do? I don't continue moving down. What we do is, kabalo man ta diani, right? We move down, we move horizontally, we move up with the same distance, nothing happened, right? Wala may tabo sa pressure. Move down, mo increase, horizontally, wala may tabo, move up, mo decrease by the same value. So therefore, kani siya day nga kuan dere, pareho lang sa pressure diana. So mao lang gihapon na siya. Natadaan ni karon, once natadaan na, atong hibawon kung pila ni siya nga height, we call this YZ. So sunod. Ito na lang. Z. Kana nga height, we call that height, shall we say, height, naman mga variable, no? Napuno na nako. Kana theta. Kana nga height, we call that height theta. Okay? Now, as you move up in here, ikan man kadaan ba, mao na ni ang pressure. Okay, again, ikan dire, the pressure is negative 17,100. You move down, it increases by 700 times 9.81 times 3. You move down, increase by this. You move down and you move up with the same height, nothing happens. You move up to this point, meaning minus, pila man na siya nga rho, that's 1,600 ang rho, 1.6 man ang SG, times 9.81 times height, which of course we denote here by theta, equal to 0. Why 0 again? Because here it's exposed to the atmosphere. Open maning kwan, yung piezometer. Air na nadaan, so exposed to the atmosphere. Therefore, pressure is 0. Gauge pressure is 0. Therefore, here, from there, theta will be known to. Okay, from here, theta will be 2.72 meters. So therefore, kung ang theta is 2.72 niya, kani siya is elevation 8, 2.72. G will therefore be elevation 10.72, right? 10.72 meters ang yung elevation. So, yung na lang kasimple. Oh, kani pa day, isa. Takabalo kung pilay pressure niya. Now, the idea here is, well, gikan di ana mo down lang ta continue. Okay, so kanatong sulbon. So in this case, from here, as if we just simply move kani siya water, dani naman ta, mao man siya pressure dani. We move further, continue downward by how much? Taman elevation 4, so that's plus 1,000 times 9.81. Kung elevation 8 paingon elevation 4, that means you drop by 4. That's the pressure in here. And here, this is made of mercury. Move up, move down, and move up, so nothing happens. You move up by that mercury, so that's what? Raw mercury is 13,600 times G 9.81 times that reading in the mercury, which is H. So equal to exposed to the atmosphere 0. Finally, we can get H to be. Okay, so here the height of the mercury column will be 0.61 meter. So, mauna siya ang mercury column, mauna siya ang H, and mauna siya ang mga elevation of the piezometers. Okay? Medyo taas, and medyo kapoy. Anyway, kaya.